minimalists and maximalists. Those who believe almost nothing in the Bible, and then those who believe everything, every single word, every single line. And we said that the truth is somewhere usually in between. And what I want to bring to you this evening is just a few of the many archaeological finds that we found in Israel that shed some light on our understanding of the biblical text, or that point to the genuineness and the authenticity of the biblical text. And I'm going to do so in a number of slides. They're going to be up here on the wall, and it might be well where you all can see better if we can turn the lights down just a little bit so you've got a better view. Now the lights are going to have to go down quite a little bit to bring the pictures into view. Can you all see that fairly well? Now, how many of you have been to Israel? Oh my, the bigger part of the congregation. How many of you have ever been here to the Carmel Caves? The only reason why you've been there is because you went with me. How many of you have ever gone with somebody else and gone to the Carmel Caves? Okay, who took you to the Carmel Caves? You did. You took yourself. Okay. This happens to be the Carmel Caves. Here's one, another one up here. This whole series of caves along the slope of Mount Carmel happens to be the singular, most important archaeological site in the world relative to early man. Here at the Carmel Caves, in the last 70 years of excavations and explorations, archaeologists have found the skeletons of over 200 home